Attestation is a kind of testimony or confirmation. It is customary to sign a deed, make a will or sign other written documents in the presence of a witness, who also signs the document to attest to its contents and the authenticity of the party's signature. In most cases, this practice is only for the purpose of preserving evidence and does not in itself constitute the substance of the document. In many states, the term can also refer to the certification of the authenticity and correctness of a copy of a document by a certifying officer, who signs the document as a true copy after comparing the copy with the original. For example, a witness attests a will by signing it. Their signature may confirm, inter alia, that they witnessed the testator sign the will.